Looking for the best alternatives to Google Maps in 2026? You're in the right place. In this series, we're counting down the top navigation apps packed with smart features, reliable directions, and travel friendly tools. Let's jump in. At number 7, we have GPS navigation and map direction. With a 4.4-star rating, over 67,000 reviews, and more than 10 million installs, it's becoming a solid choice for drivers and travelers who want more than just basic navigation. This app delivers real-time, turn-by-turn GPS directions to help you reach your destination quickly and efficiently. It also finds the shortest routes, supports voice-guided navigation, and even includes a speedometer so you can keep an eye on your driving speed. Need to find a nearby gas station, hospital, ATM, hotel, or restaurant? The built-in Nearby Places feature makes it easy in just a few taps. Planning a road trip? You'll appreciate the live weather updates along your route, plus a parking location reminder that helps you remember exactly where you left your car. And if you're traveling internationally, the app includes a voice and text translator along with a currency converter, making it a handy all-in-one travel companion. What really stands out is that it's lightweight, easy to use, free, and packed with practical tools that go beyond simple GPS navigation. Whether you're commuting, exploring a new city, or taking a long road trip, it offers plenty of features without feeling complicated. The number 6, we have OsmAnd Maps and GPS Offline. With an impressive 4.6-star rating, over 229,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads, it's a favorite for travelers, hikers, cyclists, and anyone who needs reliable navigation without internet. What makes OsmAnd stand out? It lets you download detailed maps and navigate completely offline, so you're never stuck when your signal disappears. Whether you're driving, biking, or walking, or exploring off-road, it builds routes that match your travel style. Need even more control? You can avoid certain roads, plan multi-stop trips, record GPX tracks, and even see elevation changes for hiking and adventure routes. Plus, it's powered by OpenStreetMap, so maps are constantly updated by a huge global community. Here's something privacy-conscious users will love: OsmAnd is open source and doesn't collect your personal data. You stay in control of what the app can access, making it a great choice if privacy matters to you. If you love road trips, outdoor adventures, or simply want a dependable backup navigation app, OsmAnd deserves a spot on your phone. At number 5, we've got WeGo Maps and Navigation. It holds a 4-star rating, over 476,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads, and there's a good reason people keep coming back to it. The feature I love most? Offline maps. Before you travel, just download the area you'll visit. No signal? No problem. Your directions still work, which is a lifesaver on road trips or when you're traveling abroad. Whether you're driving, walking, or using public transportation, WeGo gives clear, easy-to-follow directions without making navigation feel complicated. Need to grab coffee or make a quick stop before your destination? You can add multiple stops to your route in seconds, and if you always visit the same places, save them to your favorites so they're just one tap away. It even helps you find nearby parking, which can save you a lot of time in busy cities. Number 4, it's Maps.me, offline maps. GPS Nav rocking a 4.5-star rating with over 1 million reviews and more than 50 million downloads. What makes it stand out? You can download entire maps and use them completely offline. That means no Wi-Fi, no mobile data, and no getting lost when you're traveling, hiking, or driving through remote areas. It also gives you turn-by-turn navigation for driving, walking, and cycling, plus incredibly detailed maps powered by the OpenStreetMap community. So many trails and local spots appear that other apps often miss. Planning a vacation? Built-in travel guides help you discover restaurants, attractions, hiking routes, and hidden gems without spending hours searching online. Need to save your favorite places? Bookmark locations, share them with friends, and even see whether your walking or biking route goes uphill or downhill before you start. With fast offline search, worldwide coverage, and frequent map updates, it's an excellent backup when internet access isn't reliable. If you travel often, love road trips, or just want a dependable offline GPS app, Maps.me deserves a spot on your phone. Coming in at number 3, it's Sygic Offline Maps and GPS Navigation. With a solid 4.3 star rating, over 1 million reviews, and more than 50 million downloads, it's one of the most trusted navigation apps out there. The biggest reason people love Sygic? It works completely offline. Just download your maps before your trip, and you're ready to navigate anywhere, even through mountains, deserts, or areas with zero cell service. And it's not just basic navigation. You get clear voice directions, realistic 3D maps, lane guidance, and live traffic updates whenever you're connected to the internet. That means fewer wrong turns and less time stuck in traffic. If your car supports Android Auto, Sygic integrates seamlessly, giving you a cleaner and safer driving experience right on your dashboard. Motorcycle riders aren't left out either. Sygic includes a dedicated bike mode with twisty road routing, glove-friendly controls, and offline navigation built specifically for riders. You'll also find helpful extras like parking suggestions, speed limit alerts, fuel price information in supported regions, and even route sharing so friends and family know exactly when you'll arrive. Whether you're commuting every day, planning a cross-country road trip, or traveling somewhere with unreliable service, Sygic is built to keep you moving with confidence. Next, number 2, we have Yandex Maps and Navigator, rocking a 4.7 star rating, over 1 million reviews, and more than 100 million downloads. This app does way more than basic navigation. It gives you real-time traffic updates, smart route suggestions, speed limit alerts, and even offline maps, so you're not stuck when your signal disappears. If you use public transportation, you'll love seeing live bus and tram locations with accurate arrival times. Prefer walking or biking? It creates routes designed specifically for those, making every trip smoother. Need to find a coffee shop, gas station, or shopping mall? The built-in search includes business hours, ratings, photos, and even indoor maps for many large locations. Another standout feature is its 3D map view and voice guidance, helping you stay focused on the road instead of constantly checking your screen. It's especially powerful in regions where Yandex has strong map coverage, making it a solid alternative for everyday navigation. If you're looking for a feature-packed mapping app that goes beyond the basics, Yandex Maps and Navigator is definitely worth checking out. Finally, at number 1, it's Waze navigation and live traffic. With a 4.4 star rating, over 8 million reviews, and more than 500 million downloads, it's the navigation app millions of drivers trust every single day. Here's why people love it. Waze doesn't just tell you where to go, it tells you what's waiting ahead. If there's an accident, construction, heavy traffic, or even a pothole, other drivers report it in real time. That means Waze can reroute you before you get stuck. It also warns you about speed cameras, changing speed limits, and road hazards, helping you drive smarter and avoid expensive surprises. Need gas? It'll even show nearby stations with fuel prices. Driving an EV? It can help you find charging stations too. And if you're using Android Auto, Waze works right on your car's display while you keep listening to your favorite music or podcasts. If you drive to work, road trip on weekends, or just hate wasting time in traffic, this app can seriously make every drive easier. Which navigation app is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Hit like, follow for more app rankings, and see you next time.